Are you wondering if the DJI Osmo Action Cameras work with GoPro Accessories? So yep, I have some excellent news. Both of these cameras are essentially using the same mode. For example, this is one that comes with this camera essentially. So it's simply attached to the camera here, and then this is standard mode, just like we get on GoPro. For example, you see I have literally accessories from my old camera. So this is my first DJI camera, so I simply had all the accessories already. So for example, we have such mode here. So you see, you simply position here, take this, feed it through, and then you see you can adjust the angle just as you need. So it locks into the place. If you let it go, as you can adjust the angle and tighten it. For example, I also use the camera a lot to record bike videos, so I have this neck mount. Again, that is coming from GoPro essentially. So I can simply pop it in here, take this one, screw it down, and I can simply put it on my neck and essentially film videos here like this as well. So yeah, both systems are identical when it comes to mounts. Okay, good luck.